Welcome to the GrOh Canada channel. My name is Carrie. So you've just received your GrOh kit and you want to get your grow room set up. First thing you got to do is set up your tent, and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step using a 4x2 GrOh tent. Now this tent is perfect for growing 4 large plants. Depending on what types of plants you want to grow, the grow cycle is going to be between 12 and 16 weeks. That may seem like a little long to some of you, but believe me, you'd be surprised how big a harvest you'll get from growing indoors. So let's get started and let's go set up.
Hi everyone, this is Cody from the GrOh Canada team, and I'll be doing a walkthrough setup of one of our grow tents. So first off, we need to start by unpacking and laying out the components of the package on the floor. The package will include multiple poles with marked numbers of 1, 2, and 3, which should be placed in groups for there's no confusion, alright? Next, there will also be 2 hanging bars, 8 metal corners, as well as the outer shell cloth fabric and removable cloth floor tray. Next, we will move on to connecting the interlocking bars and corners to create the top and bottom frame. These rods and corners are made from metal that include handy interlocking clips that will ensure a sturdy frame. So first off, we will build 2 frames by grabbing all number 3 and number 4 poles as well as the 8 metal corners. At this time, we will have completed the top and bottom frame. Now we will place one of the 2 frames on the floor and lock in the number 2 poles to the 4 corners of that frame. Afterwards, insert the number 1 poles into the number 2 poles, which will then create the height of our new frame. Lastly, we will lift the second frame we did at the beginning and interlock the 4 corners to our new frame, which will complete our GrOh tent frame. Hell yeah, people! Alright, so now it's time to get started with the outer shell. The exterior outer shell of the tent is made from super heavy duty Oxford cloth, which is durable and tear resistant, right? The interior is made from water resistance, non-toxic, highly reflective diamond polyester film, which ensures maximum light reflection for your plants for a better grow, and that's what we want, right? So let's get started by placing the heavy-duty cloth on the ground. Unfold as well as unzip it completely and open the door flap. Grip the top corners of the cloth and gently pull it over the frame, making the top corners snug as you can. We will then tilt the frame and begin placing the cloth on the bottom frame until all corners are also tightly secured. Next, we will zip the outside shell with our heavy-duty, light-proof zipper and make sure all corners and cloth are properly installed. To make things easier, you can Velcro your door flap to the side of the tent while working. And now you can grab the cloth floor tray and place it in the bottom section of the tent, which will make your cleaning job so much easier. So now, let's have a look inside. We got a dual layered vent for electrical cords and ducting, and all these vents have drawstrings that can be closed when not in use. And what happens if we take a look outside? First, step out and zip it up completely for a better look. There are micro mesh free flow air vents along the bottom for cooling your tent and allowing better airflow. The entrance to our GrOh tent opens and closes with our smooth heavy duty zipper. If you ever feel like taking a peek inside, well, we also have a small observational window for that as well. So as you can see, our GrOh Canada tents are built sturdy and versatile with multiple vents options, so you can organize your grow equipment as you please. So please follow our channel for more grow room setup videos and tips on growing and much more. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Enjoy the harvest and don't stop growing.